After I learned this mixture, I never again had problems with flies or cockroaches in my house. I'll start today's tip using 2 limes. Here we will only use the zest. And for this, I'm using a grater. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Charles Stanley from Los Angeles. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Our daily tips are sure to make it easier for you to clean from day to day. This is the ideal amount of zest for our tip. After separating all the zest from the lime, now in a pan, I will add a cup of water for use in this mixture. I will also add 200 milliliters of vinegar, being one of the main items to keep the insects away from your home. With this mixture, in addition to being able to use to clean different surfaces, you will also eliminate at once the problems of insects in your home, including flies, mosquitoes and cockroaches. Now what we should do is to add the zest of the lime in the mixture. I will cover the pan and boil a low heat for at least 20 minutes. Once you are at this point, I will add the laurel leaves next. I will cover and leave for a few more minutes on fire. And this is the point that our mixture should reach. I will remove the pan from the fire carefully. For the use of this mixture, only the liquid is necessary. For this I am using a sieve to put only the liquid in another container. This tip is perfect for use with insects. I'm sure if you show this mixture to your visitors, they will always want to know this secret. I will leave this mixture now reserved in this container until it cools, and we will be ready for use. To facilitate the application, I will use a spray bottle, avoiding product waste, and controlling the amount in the application to prevent it from spilling the liquid. I'm also using a funnel, and so our tip is ready. You can apply this tip next to windows and doors, thus avoiding the entrance of insects in your house. Ideally use this mixture at least twice a week, and the effect will be long-lasting. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.